Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about that sometimes you have to change your mentality. You are supposed to do some specific kind of work, but suddenly you see around you some happenings, and due to that happening you have to change your plans, your all dealings. I will give you the example that one day I was supposed to make the video. I was willing to make video for my English language channel. I set all the things, adjusted my camera, and suddenly I heard the voices of weeping, of some noise. When I saw, then I saw that some people are gathering there and some kind of disturbance is going on. I was astonished, I was worried that what was the happening there. So I suddenly packed all my things and I rushed toward that place, and there I found that an old man, she was my relative, was dying due to heart attack, and people and girls were gathering around him, and they were weeping, they were crying, and then I have to at that time then I had to change all my plans. So sometimes we do some kind of plans, but those plans are not supposed to finish, and we have to change our mentality. And after that for some days I did not make any kind of video for my English language channel, because that was my neighbor, and she was my real auntie, and due to those, you know that there are some customs after the death of anybody, and we have to perform those customs and rituals, and due to those you know that people are coming from nearby places to condole the death of her my aunt. So by talking this I mean that sometimes we make plan for today that we will go to the city area to purchase some essential things, but suddenly we have to change our mentality due to some happenings around us. So whatever you thinking is your plan. God is making another plan for you. So the real plan is of God plan. So we have to walk, we have to accept all those things which are natural. In this way we can live a good life. Otherwise I think that there are so many worries. Sometimes you have to face worries, sometimes you have to face happiness. We have to go with both worries and happiness. This is the life. This is called the life. I am talking on different topics to make you understand about the realities of life and to improve your English language, because main motive of this channel is to discuss things on different topics and to make you able to speak a little bit of English language, because when we speak on different topics, different words come in our memory. In this way we enhance our memory, and we make ourselves able to speak good English language. Hope you find today's video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I am Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.